Well, joining us now is former Wayne County Circuit Court Chief Judge Timothy Kinney. Judge Kinney, thank you so much for joining us tonight. So where do you think the breakdown was in Jennifer's case?
I think there were two factors. I think that the prosecutor's office presented a very compelling factual circumstance showing that the shooter in this case had mental health issues, had reached out for help, and that there was no response. And then to go and buy him a gun is almost incomprehensible. And then I think there was a huge impact on the fact that how Jennifer Crumbley behaved the morning of that meeting with the school an hour before the shooting. To see that kind of information, the drawings and the sort of the written cry for help by her son and the blood everywhere comments and whatnot, to then see that and say that this meeting was only lasted 12 minutes and then say, I'm going back to work. I think those facts all accumulated. I think there's another issue in the case that may very well have come into play, and that is Jennifer Crumbley's decision to testify. As everyone knows, a defendant in a criminal case doesn't have to testify. And she chose to do so, and she came on with a version of herself that she tried to portray that, quite frankly, was contradicted by a considerable amount of the evidence.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people thought she just didn't care. Judge Kinney, the father, James Crumbley, is up next. Now that his wife has been found guilty, what does this mean for his case going forward?
Well, certainly he and his attorney have had the opportunity to get a peek behind the curtain to see exactly how the prosecution is likely to go forward with that case. I think another interesting issue that arises is that the trial is set for next month. Given all of the publicity and everything and the media coverage that has occurred with Jennifer Crumbley's trial, it's going to be even more difficult to pick a jury, I think, next month.
Could you see them making a plea deal for him? And if they do so, what would that look like for James Crumbley?
Well, I wouldn't want to second guess the prosecutors on this one. I think that they have been very determined and justifiably so going forward. I can't see much of a plea deal other than plead straight up and take your chances on what the judge is going to do at sentencing.
Wow. Well, Judge Kinney, I cannot thank you enough. You have been with us all afternoon. Your expertise has been spot on, and we just appreciate you giving us your time again this afternoon. Have a great night.
Okay, thank you.